A man spent 25 years completely isolated from the world, but what he did inside this cave will take your breath away. With only his dog for company, artist Ra Pohlad spent a quarter of a century creating some of the most beautiful artwork you will ever see. Inside this cave deep in the northern deserts of New Mexico are some of the most intricate caverns and cave carvings in the world. Inside, can you guess what's hiding in the cave? These stunning caves are not part of a fairy tale. They can be found in some of the world's most remote places in Europe, America, and Asia. Getty Images. Antelope Canyon in Arizona was carved out by thousands of years of persistent wind and flash floods, which is why its smooth walls look so smooth and fluid. Ra spent countless hours each day carving and shaping the sandstone into patterned art. When you are doing something you love and are drawn to it, you want to do it all the time, he said. And after 25 years of scraping and digging, he has unveiled his mesmerizing work. Dreamy. A man isolated himself from everyone and spent 25 years carving this cave underground. He even slept inside this cave deep in the northern deserts of New Mexico. Over the years, the artist has created a dozen of these carved caves using the process he calls the dance of digging. Ra uses the natural light which spills into the caves as inspiration for his work. Stunning. Over the years, the artist has created a dozen of these carved. When talking about what he hopes people would take away from his art, he said at least a moment or a length of time in which they had a deeper feeling and deeper understanding of themselves and life. Barcroft Caveman. What's inside this cave will shock you. Fancy a hotel bedroom within the ocean or in the cabin of a Boeing 727. Here are a collection of eye-popping places to stay. Caters News Agency. Vertical campsite in Yosemite National Park. But Ra isn't the only man who has spent time living in a rocky dwelling. Angelo Mastropietro spent £160,000 turning a 250-million-year-old cave into his dream house. From the outside it looks like a sheer cliffside, but inside it has all the furnishings of a regular house. Angelo, 38, spent 1,000 back-breaking hours transforming the historic cave in Wire Forest, Worcestershire. Inside his cave abode there is a solid functioning kitchen, a bedroom, running water, Wi-Fi and underground heating. Related articles.